Okay, welcome. So we in the last lesson we were talking about format painter. Okay, so what format painter does is to give the your table color appearance and stuff. So that's for format rather. For you can see here you can format your cell easily. From here we have the bold function we've used. So let's try to replicate everything we have here in this next table. So we type row. This one has to be fast. Let me just paste. Yeah. So yeah, we want to recreate what we have at the top here. So we highlight everything and then we'll start from. We can start from bold. It boldens them. You can italicize them so they have that bend bend to it. We can underline them. Yeah, we can give it a yellow font, yellow fill color here, and then we'll come and give it a font color. Font color colors the letter or the what was typed in, while the fill color fills the cell. So yeah, now that we can change the font to red, you can see everything here is the same. Now we can increase the size to either by clicking on this bigger here, increase font size, or we come to the box in here where you can just type in the size of the font you want. So you can see we've perfectly recreated both the size and all. Now, with this format painter, I wasn't able to talk about format painter really in the last lesson. Just highlight all of this, click on format painter, come to this place and paste it. Now, what is going to happen is we are going to type in what is here inside these cells that I've copied the format from. So I'm going to type in row. You will see that as I type, they are automatically going to inherit the design of the table that I copied the format from. You see, as I'm typing it, it's just inheriting the format without having to do it all over again. So that's what format painter does. So I'm going to click on this column and move my cursor to the edge of the border, then double click it. Just two rapid clicks on your mouse spaces it very well. Same here. You can see we have this perfectly replicated. Okay, that's where we are going to stop on this one. But quickly before I leave, let's quickly do what we call alignment. We are just going to use the positioning either right, left, top or bottom. I want you to notice how this, I want to resize the row, see, to make it bigger so this alignment is better understood. Okay, all right. So let's align left. You can see the cells moving left. If you align right, they all move to the right. If we align center, they all move to the center. If you align middle, they all move to the middle. If you align top, they all move to the top. If you align bottom, they all move to the bottom. So these are also how you can make your cells or your table look, because we're already working on a table. Thank you. Let's go into the next lesson.